Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Dash2 Trade coin or token on your Trust wallet. It's mostly built on the Ethereum blockchain, so please make sure you've got Ethereum on your wallet. And with that, you can perform transactions. So our next step is going to be simply scrolling down. Once you scroll down to the bottom to where we have it about, there you'd get its Ethereum address, which you can simply copy by pressing and holding copy to clipboard. Open the Ether scan, scroll down and copy its token address, minimize, open up your Trust wallets. Okay, now the Trust wallet is opened up. Do make sure that you've got Ethereum on this wallet again to be able to perform transactions. So you simply scroll down to the popular section and click on Uniswap. That's app.uniswap.org. That's the website. So our next step is going to be clicking on Aave and replacing Aave with the contract address we just copied, which belongs to D2T. Click on Dash2Trade. Click on I understand. And then we're going for $1.81 worth of this. And the gas fee is going to be $7. So in the place of insufficient Ethereum address or insufficient Ethereum balance, simply click on swap, click on confirm swap, and your transaction would be done. You could as well make sure your wallet is connected if you're connecting for the first time by clicking on this icon at the top right corner of the screen, which is here. And then with the power icon right here, you simply click on this power icon to connect or disconnect your wallet. But that aside, you just simply need to click on swap and the trade or the transaction will be done. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we go about this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.